Hi guys, my name is Madeline.
My name is Arisha and we're with Bay County Extension Office. Today we'll learn about how to cook things in the microwave. Microwave cooking is just the same as regular cooking.
First, we need to put on our apron, tie our hair back, and then wash our hands. Okay, the products that you see in today's video
are not promoted by UF IFAS. They are strictly used for food demonstration purposes.
Okay, so now we are making our monkey bread, and this is the savory monkey bread. So we have a mixture of herbs, garlic, and some salt and Parmesan. And our herbs are parsley, thyme, and not rosemary, but you can always add rosemary if you want a little bit more herbs to it. And all the spices were about a half a teaspoon. Parmesan was a fourth of a cup, and the paprika was a half a teaspoon as well, and same with all the herbs. So I just sprayed down my container with some oil, that way nothing would stick, and Zai cut up our biscuits into fourths so they are nice and ready to be dipped in the mixture. Alright, so first we are going to dip it in the butter. And then now in the seasoning mix. Okay, so if you run out of mixture like we did, you can always make more and continue on with your dipping.
So you made a ring, Zai?
Yes.
And then you're gonna, you said sprinkle a little more Parmesan on top. I'm gonna go microwave for about 2 minutes. So here's the finished product.
You're kidding.